This video will show you how easy it is to retrofit an existing basic shower system with the Fluid Switch retrofit system. You'll add a slide bar, handheld shower, and your choice of shower head, all without touching the existing plumbing behind the wall or your shower walls. Before you start, it's a good idea to check our how-to article on sustainablesolutions.com to make sure that you have the space required and everything you need ready. The article and full installation instructions are linked below. Remember, it's important that whenever you're doing a plumbing project, you need to shut off the water supply before you start working. First, you'll need to remove the shower head and the shower arm that's installed. You can easily do this with an adjustable wrench. There will be a brass fluid speed connector included with your switch trim kit. Apply Teflon tape to the end of this connector and insert it into the drop elbow behind the wall. This is the fitting that your original shower arm was attached to. It's important to make sure that the speed connector extends outside the finished wall between 1 inch and 1 3/4 inches. If it extends too far or not far enough, check the linked article or installation instructions below on how to correct this. Now, connect the main body of the slide rail by pushing the top connection over the brass speed connector. You're just temporarily connecting the main body right now so that you can decide where to position the bottom mounting plate. You'll want to make sure that the bottom of the slide rail is level with the top. Once you figure out the best placement, use a pencil or a non-permanent marker. You can simply draw a circle around the mounting plate to mark the position. Now, remove the main body of the slide bar and remove the mounting plate from the bottom connection assembly by loosening the set screws holding it in place with the included Allen wrench. Once the mounting plate is removed, carefully set the bar aside. If gluing, make sure to only use the special glue included with your kit, as it was developed to be used for this type of installation. Spread a line of glue onto the back of the bottom mounting plate that you removed and press to the position you marked on the wall. Once you've glued the mounting plate to the wall, you'll need to leave it for a full 24 hours to ensure that it sets and gives you maximum adhesion. Don't get it wet during this time. After you've waited the necessary 24 hours, make sure that the round escutcheons are attached to the main body of the switch slide rail at the top and bottom connections. If they're not attached, remove the set screws in the bar, slide the round escutcheons over the top and bottom connections, and then retighten those set screws. Now, fit the top of the switch rail over the speed connector you installed and press it into the connector. Tighten the set screw to secure the main body assembly first on the top and then on the bottom. You will then slide the round escutcheons across the horizontal bars to hide the installation points. You have now completed the installation of the main switch body, but the job isn't quite finished. You still have to connect the shower head, handheld shower, and the switch slide rail. Push the shower arm onto the top brass connector of the main body of the switch assembly. We're using the 16-inch shower arm here, but we also have an 8-inch or an 8-inch tall shower arm available if you prefer a different type of shower head. When it's fully inserted, it should lock into place. Tighten the set screw on the shower arm. It's helpful to swing the shower arm over to start so that you can more easily access the set screw. Once it starts getting tight, swing the shower arm back into the position you want and tighten the rest of the way. Now attach your shower head. Next, you'll want to attach the elbow at the bottom of the switch main body. First, add Teflon tape to the elbow and then screw it into the bottom outlet of the body. Turn the elbow to the position you'd like. The main purpose of this elbow is to direct the flex hose to sit around the valve covering so it doesn't sit over top of the plate and handle. So you'll want to position it facing away from the handheld shower. Tighten the elbow with an adjustable wrench, being careful not to scratch it. Attach the flexible hose for the handheld shower directly to the elbow at the bottom of the switch rail. Then attach the chosen handheld shower wand to the end of the flexible hose and rest it in the holder at the side of the switch unit. Turn the water supply back on, and you're done, ready to enjoy your enhanced shower system.